Well, hello, and welcome back to another incredible episode of Thrift Twists, the place where we go into our favorite secondhand shops on the hunt for inspiration and then head back home and make something very beautiful. I can't wait to see what we're going to make today. Let's go. Now, it's so funny, you guys. Oh my gosh. That moment when you pick something up and you think it's glass, but it's actually plastic. Tell me in the comments if you guys thought that this was glass. and then just found out for me that it's plastic. It's fully plastic, but here's what's funny. There is not one price tag on any of these three, which is kind of crazy, but I do like that because it's very lightweight, perfect for a DIY, but it's freaking plastic. But I have no idea how much they are, so I'm not about to go up there and haggle. Oh, wait. So I guess it's 99 cents for that, because I just looked at the sign. So anything not marked is 99 cents. So 99 cents for a giant plastic vase like this. Do we think it's worth it? Do we think it's not? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. You guys know I always have to look over here at the framed pictures and artwork, and I just wanted to take a second. Let me see if I can pop this up without dropping it. Check it out. It's Elvis, you guys. And not only is it Elvis, but it looks like a clock. Are you guys seeing that? It's got the mechanisms for a clock. So if you are in the market for a very shiny Elvis clock, that might be what's up. Let's see what the price is on this, you guys. $10.99. There's the kind of battery compartment. $10.99 for this fancy Elvis clock. Check it out. Okay, you guys, so it's about that time for me to consider the wreath for my door for summer. And so I was going to look and see if I saw any cool ones over here. Now, this is actually a really cool wreath. Let me grab this without getting pokey, jabbed. Very cute. Now, one of the things I like when I thrift a wreath is that you get to, kind of dismantle it. So I always look to see what all the different parts are. So this is kind of like, almost like that grapevine kind of wreath. And then you've got the greenery, you've got this plaque, and a couple of florals. So you're gonna get all of those when we thrift this wreath for $1.99. That's crazy. Because you guys see kind of the fancy kind of grapevine type situation. That is a really, really good deal, because $1.99 for this sign alone makes sense to me. Let's see what else they have down here. Oh, oh Lord, y'all, I'm fighting. Here we go. Another really, really cool one. I like the florals. It's very lightweight. Again, kind of that grapevine look. Definitely getting a lot of bang for the buck here. Let's see what the price is. For some reason, she's $4.99. And that seems weird to me because I feel like this one is less cool than the other one for $1.99, but okay. Let's see. I see one more down here. Let's take a look. Oh, okay, interesting. This is certainly more of a fall wreath, and I'm not going to snatch this one up because she's got a lot going on her, but I love this. Let's just see how much she's maybe worth. Sorry, here. We know I'm doing it one-handed. $3.99, but I do kind of like the way it's kind of put together, because once we take all the stuff off of there, that's really cool. But we can definitely see that somebody used a heck of a lot of glue, so that would be a little bit of a problem for us when we were trying to remove that. So we'd have to keep that in mind. Let's see what else we can find. Oh my goodness. Now you guys already know that I'm partial to these weird little candle holders. I cannot get enough of them. And this one is so dang cute. That kind of very intricate design. What do they want for this? $1.99? I would have preferred to see like less than $1, but I think that that is just dang cute. Love every last piece of that. Now look at this, you guys. I'm also partial to these tins. Like these little decorative tins. I love them so much. This one is very cute. I'm kind of liking that black with the pop of color of the different vegetables and whatnot. Let's see what they want for it. $1.99. She's also a really good size. Let me see if I can one-handed. Oh, Lord. Y'all, it's not going to happen, is it? It's not going to happen. It's not gonna happen. I was gonna try to get the top off, but you guys know I'm doing it one-handed, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pull that off. Hold on 1 second. Okay, you guys, I figured it out. But here we go. It's actually a really nice deep tin. And I think these are always great to re-gift things in or even to store different items. So I think that this is a really, really good deal. And I love these. Let me know in the comments if you guys collect these as well. What in the Basilica of St. Margaret is going on here? This is a freaky little piece. Very, very interesting. Okay, she's actually quite a bit heavier than you might even imagine. But interesting. Not sure who donated this or why. It probably was somebody's like kind of vacation piece. But it is $2.99 for this. I think if you did like miniatures or you set up like little towns or something, that might be a cool addition. But other than that, it's just a little freaky for me. Oh my goodness, you guys. So again, you know, I showed you kind of that Goodwill has some stuff that is brand new that they're marketing. And for my crafty people, I just wanted to show this. It's a yarn art giraffe kit. Now this giraffe was looking really suspect, but dang cute. Looks like it might come with everything. It's designed to be for people over the age of 8. Let's see if we can see what else is going on here. Okay, kind of cool. So it's kind of got like an MDF or a cardboard form of a giraffe. And then it's got the yarn that you wrap around, as well as like just some other kind of fancy little things. Cute. There's kind of the measurements on it. How much are they trying to get for this? That's actually a cute gift idea for $4.95. I am not mad at that. So just letting you guys know, I am seeing, again, some more stuff here at the Goodwill that is not donated, but is brand new. Let me know if you guys would be picking that up. So these wonderful wreaths are what we're going to utilize as our inspiration. Let's head home and see what we come up with. So we are going to go ahead and start off with this beautiful grapevine wreath. Now I did thrift this a while back, but if you need to grab one, you can always grab these from Hobby Lobby. They're like $4.99 literally all year round. And then I'm going to take some of these vines that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap them around our wreath. So to me, wreaths are literally all about what fits your eye and your style. So I'm just going to be grabbing florals from literally all over the place. Some Dollar Tree florals, some stuff I got from Temu, some greenery, some lemons that I thrifted, whatever I have on hand in my stash that makes sense for this wreath. And I'm just going to start adding it on. I'm going to let you guys watch as it comes together. I love this wreath. This wreath is perfect to me. I can leave this up on my door until I switch it out for my fall wreath. Those beautiful white colors, also that pop of yellow from the lemons and the florals is just, it's everything. Perfect wreath to me for this time of year. Make sure to let me know in the comments if you love this and if you're feeling these thrift inspired DIYs.